Hey lovelies, happy new week. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. You're very welcome to a new video. I pray this week brings us good fortune and everything our heart desires. Okay, so in today's video I just want to share this lunch inspo to you guys. This is very yummy. I have tried it several times and yeah, it's always a banger, so I said let me share with you guys so you all can enjoy as well. And this can pass so well for school lunch. I made this several times for my daughter's school lunch and she ended up wiping up her flags, and that makes me very happy. So this is everything I'll be needing: some plantains, potatoes and yams, everything diced. And yeah, I'll be using chicken today. You can use beef, you can use sausages, you can even use fish, any protein of choice. Okay, you can even use fried eggs like scrambled eggs as well. So I'm just seasoning my chicken. I just want to season this and set it aside while I go ahead and fry all of my yams, plantains and potatoes. So this is very fast. It's basic. And also, if you don't want to fry your yams, your potatoes, plantains, you can just spread it on your oven racks and grill it. Okay, you can put it in your air fryer oven, whatever oven you are using, you can grill it. That's if you want to stay away from much oil, but for me, I don't mind. I am going to fry this, and yeah, enjoy watching guys. Thank you so much. So let's fry our yams. The plan was to fry my plantain first, but because of the way the oil was too hot, I went on with my yams. After adding my yams, I'm going to put some water just because I want it to cook properly before it gets crispy, if you know what I mean. Okay, this helps your yam to cook before it's fried, so it's very ideal to put some water in your fried yams. guys, this is what we created. This tasted so good. It tasted really nice. And by the way, I didn't use much pepper. What you're seeing is actually some paprika, which is tatashe abi, tatashe bawa, and a bit of tomato. So I didn't use much pepper, so it's not really spicy. For the kids' sake, please don't make it spicy. You want them to enjoy this, so try as much as possible not to make it spicy. It's so good. Lunch idea. Let me know how you like it. Leave me a comment, like this video, comment, and also share. Please share my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one, and again, have a blessed week. Subscribe if you haven't, please. Thank you so much. Bye.